Now I am going to share the program flow that is on the screen. You can see sharing of meeting already I have done. Then meeting call to order. I will call the meeting in order in few minutes. Then there will be welcome speech. Then introduction of Rotary and Rotary Club of Pune Riverside. Introduction of projects and services by our esteemed members. Then dedicating a citation of honor to every teacher in the world. That's the theme of the day. We are going to recognize, honor, and felicitate all the teacher in the world. So that will be there. Then talked by guest of honors. We have Maithu Rosevilla as a guest of honor. Then we have Lakshmi Kumar as a guest of honor, and we have chief guest as Mrs. Olive Das. So that will happen. Then musical tribute will be there for 30 minutes by Dr. Shivani. She is professor in a, she is doctor and she is professor, doctor in music and professor in a college. Then there will be virtual birthday celebration also of our own Rotary family members. Then finally it will be vote of thanks. Yes, Prerna? Very good morning, everyone. This is the time now. Honorable Mrs. Das, Administrator and Secretary, the Society of St. Helens, Pune, Chief Guest. Respected Mrs. Lakshmi Kumar, Founder, Director of Orchid School, Guest of Honor. Respected Mr. Maithu Rosevilla, Founder, Chairman and Managing Director of Mother Teresa School, Pune, Guest of Honor. Distinguished invitees, honorable teachers, dear students, fellow Rotarians and aunts, dear God, ladies and gentlemen, Namaste, Adab, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पांव बलिहारी बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोविंद दियो बताए। अगर गुरु और ईश्वर को चुनना है तो गुरु और ईश्वर में किसको चुने, इसके ऊपर इससे बढ़िया कुछ और हो नहीं सकता। रहीमदास जी ने कहा है कि गुरु को ही चुनना है। सा विद्या या विमुक्त है, विद्या वो है जो मुक्ति प्रदान करे, लेकिन मुक्ति का रास्ता कौन दिखाएगा? मुक्ति का रास्ता गुरु ही दिखाएगा। तो इसीलिए ये बहुत बहुत अहम हो जाता है। एक और चीज है जो कि गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ये भी कहने की बात नहीं है, हमने इसकी चीज को रियलाइज किया है कि पेरेंट्स के बाद अगर जिंदगी में कोई आता है, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है जो कि आर्किटेक्ट के रूप में है, तो वो गुरु ही है। वो गुरु कभी किसी शिष्य को इस तरीके से नहीं चाहता कि वो उसके तरीके से ढले, रादर एक शिल्पकार के तरीके से गुरु उस शिष्य में से वो चीज निकालता है जो शिष्य के अंदर पोटेंशियल है, उसका अटेंशन, उसका केयर, और उसके बाद उसको जो बनाना चाहता है, जो वो बनने की क्षमता होती है शिष्य में, वो करता है। सो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। सो सारे गुरुदेव यहाँ जितने भी लोग हैं उनको मैं प्रणाम करते हुए अपनी बात को आगे बढ़ाता हूँ। There could be no better day than this day to honor and recognize all teachers in the world to their services to the education and society at large. आज के दिन जो हमारा जो थीम है, सभी विश्व के सारे लोगों को, सारे जो टीचर्स हैं वो किसी रूप में हैं, उनकी सर्विसेज को हम एक्नॉलेज कर रहे हैं, उनकी सर्विसेज का हम सम्मान कर रहे हैं और उनको हम प्रणाम कर रहे हैं. दिस टीचर्स डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया on the birthday of Honorable Sarvepalli Dr. Radhakrishnan, and from 6th, his birthday is 5th. I will request all to please mute yourself. Humble request, please mute yourself. So his birthday is on 5th September, and from 1962 onward, this day is in India celebrated as Teachers Day. We can't deny this fact that if there were no teachers, all the other profession would have not exist. You believe it, and you see it, what I am telling, that makes sense. It is my pleasure and proud privilege to welcome Mrs. Das, Mrs. Lakshmi Kumar, Matthew Rosebilla, invitees and all participants joined on Zoom meeting and Facebook page of Rotary Club of Pune Riverside Live. Very warm welcome to all of you. Teacher's job is most satisfying and most respectable. Why I'm telling? I'm not telling only I have heard. I have lived it. Before joining civil service in 1982, from 1979 to 82, I myself was a assistant professor. And I have seen when you talk to the students, you talk to the class, instantly you feel what you are teaching, that is going in their mind or not, and the respect what a teacher get, I think that is the most respectable. So teachers today feeling very happy and blessed to honor, recognize and appreciate sacrifice, devotion, dedication and teachers towards a student in particular and society at a large. Not speaking much, in fact today we are here to listen, and what we are going to listen from three dignitaries, Mr. Matthew Rosebilla, Mrs. Lakshmi Kumar and Mrs. Olive Das. That's going to be really, we are very excited to listen them. So I will not be taking much time, but yes, of course, our very heartfelt gratitude and sincere thanks from the side of Rotary Club of Pune Riverside to all participants, whether they are on Zoom or they are on Facebook Live. I send on behalf of Rotary Club Pune Riverside a very warm welcome to all. And finally I close to dedicating this line. Allow me to read. Thank you so very much. This is for the teachers. Thank you so very much for continuing inspire us to the best. Help us strive for goals. We found guidance, friendship, discipline, love and everything in one person, and that person is you. That person is teacher. That person is architect. That person is God, and rather better than God, because I have said Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Namah. So happy Teachers Day to all of you. Now coming on next agenda. Introduction of Rotary and Rotary Club Pune Riverside. I invite Rotarian Bharat Nayan, Advisor, Education, Skill Development and Special Project. Over to Bharat.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, Bharat, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I mean, that was a very invigorating speech, and my compliments and hats off to all the teachers. I have been teaching for 25 years as a visiting faculty in different places, and I know what a wonderful job you're doing. So hats off to you once again. I'm here to give you a quick background, bird's eye view of Rotary Club internationally and Rotary Riverside. Rotary was founded in 1905, much before the UN, which was founded in 1945. There are 1.2 million Rotarians globally. That is 12.2 lakh Rotarians globally. It is said that you're never more than a few kilometers away from a Rotary, and I'll add a little humorous joke. You're never more than a few kilometers away from a McDonald's. So wherever you find a McDonald's, within a kilometer, you'll find a Rotary. There are 35,000 plus clubs of Rotary in the world, And to give you a comparative figure, there are 37,000 McDonald's outlets. There is a Rotarian, a Rotary Club, and a Rotary project going on within 2 or 3 kilometers of wherever you are in the world. That is what Rotary is about. Rotary is a social service organization. Social in the sense we have tremendous amount of fun, we have interaction, we have different activities. There is service. There are multiple service projects globally. I will just tell you 2. Recently, last week, there was an article that polio has been eradicated in Africa. Polio eradication, the entire credit, a majority of the credit goes to a Rotary project globally called Polio Plus campaign. If I talk of local projects, I can talk of our Riverside Club Happy School projects, which you will hear more about later. Our club, Rotary Club, is a fun club. We are under 40 members, and the interesting thing about our club is our youngest member, Janvi Hardas, who's 23 years old. Is Janvi there? Is Janvi there?
Sir.
Good morning. So our youngest member is Janvi Hardas, 23 years old, and our oldest member is Rashmi Bhai Motiwale, who is approximately 75 years old. Is he there? No. Rashmi Bhai there?
No, he's not there.
Okay, so this gives you an idea of Rotary Riverside from 23 to 75. So this is the kind of value we bring to the table. A teacher is really a facilitator. We Rotarians in Riverside and globally are effectively facilitators. We facilitate the needs of society within what we can do in terms of the time, the reach, the money, the projects. Each of us gets tremendous joy to be a Rotarian, and in our club, when we meet from 23 to 75, you can understand the kind of joy we get, the kind of information we get, and the interaction we get. Can I use this opportunity to invite a lot of you to join our club, Pune Club of Rotary Riverside. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat. Now is it time of introduction of project and activities of Rotary Club of Pune Riverside. I invite Rotarian Vikram Puri, Member Advisory Board, Global Grants. Over to Vikram.
Thank you, Colonel Mishra. And that was a very, as Bharat put it, invigorating speech. And Bharat, of course, as usual, has outdone himself. So my job is to tell everybody about the kind of projects that are run by the club. And as we go along, I'm sure our president and Bharat will tell you why we choose to do such projects. The Rotary Club of Pune Riverside has been typically involved in a huge number of service projects. And service projects are essentially related to or meet the need of a particular community or a particular group of people that are perhaps disadvantaged in terms of being able to access those services or those facilities or just simply that knowledge. So the Rotary Club of Pune Riverside is currently running our most important and most I would say collective project, which is Urja. Urja is run by Neeru Goyal, and Neeru gets everybody together on Sunday morning in order to re-energize and build up their immunity.
Vikram, 1 minute. Vikram, 1 minute. May I request you all to please mute yourself? I have already muted, but sound.
I think, Colonel Mishra, please mute everybody.
Oh, I have muted, in fact. Anyway, I'm muting again. Yes.
Thank you. So,
Vikram sir, you're on mute.
that was Colonel Mishra doing it twice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Still you are on mute.
I think I've got it.
Yes, yes, Bikram, go ahead.
Thank you. So as I was saying, Urja is a platform where we are getting the community together in order to re-energize, build our build our resistance, build our immunity, and also keep our state of mind open and happy. Neeru is doing a fantastic job. Rotarian Neeru Goyal, also past president, actually leads the yoga instruction, and she has thousands of followers on social media attending that session every Sunday. One of the other, very special projects that the Rotary Club of Pune Riverside has executed and is currently executing is the Ladli project. And Ladli takes care of menstrual hygiene for young girls who have reached puberty but have perhaps neither the means nor the information in order, on how to take care of themselves and how to manage their menstrual cycles. We teach them that there is nothing to be ashamed of, there is nothing to be embarrassed about. We go, and run educational programs, but most important, we make available sanitary napkins in schools and community places where they can easily access them, and also take them home to their mothers and older sisters who are otherwise not using sanitary napkins. So we are creating an entire generation of young women who are confident, who are not embarrassed to talk about their menstrual cycle, and they also know how to look after themselves. Our Care for Air project involves getting people to stop generating pollution, especially in our urban centers. The cities in the city area in Pune has seen a dramatic change because of reduction in traffic. And before this lockdown, the Rotary Club of Pune Riverside had made a very significant contribution to the environment with our Care for Air project, where we encouraged especially night watchmen, security guards, and people who are working at night around the streets, on the roads, municipal workers, and all of these people who are on guard duty, not to burn wood, tires, or other things to keep themselves warm. Instead, we gave them blankets that would replace that fire or lighting rubbish or garbage and generating smoke. So we've tried to do that, and I think we've been successful to a very great extent. Almost every housing society that we talked to, that we connected with, has adopted this Care for Air project, and it is extremely successful. I must tell you that some of the star projects in our club are actually driven by Rotarian past president Neeru Goyal. So Urja, Ladli, and Care for Air, all three of these are brainchilds of Neeru. And in fact, the next one that we are going to talk about, which is our Happy Schools project, is also something that's driven by her. So she's really the dynamo that drives all of these projects. Our Happy Schools are projects where we try and create an environment where the student likes to go, wants to go, and rather than missing school. We don't want a situation where children don't want to go to school. We want to create an environment where they desire to be there with their friends and make it a great place to be. And I think we've succeeded there. We've got numerous Happy Schools where we've created a very bright, sparkling environment, including supporting teachers with their educational syllabus. And our Happy Schools project is ongoing and extremely popular. Some of our other projects have been with organizations like Maher that take care of orphan children or children of single mothers. We provided remote educational and e-learning facilities for those children. We've got 10 huge TV screens installed with complete internet connections, prepaid for 1 year, along with dozens of laptops and computers which have been given to those kids so that they can attend their school and studies remotely. The club is always open to new projects, and these projects that are ongoing, especially our Happy Schools project, these are like our trademark. We intend them to be permanent, and we've been working with various schools, colleges, and organizations, and I am sure that we are going to continue to do that. Colonel Mishra will fill you in on specific details wherever you have questions, perhaps at the end of this session. But thank you all for hearing what we do, and thank you all for being part of it. A lot of you are part of these projects, so thank you for that. Thank you for supporting what we do. Over to you, Colonel Mishra.
Thank you, Vikram. Prerna, can you see the Teachers' Day celebration slides? These are the things.
Yes, Colonel, please go ahead.
Yeah. Ultimately what we have planned, dedication of a universal citation of honor to every teacher in the world. As I said earlier, no profession would have existed if teachers would have not been there and teaching would have not been there. So teachers are the most respectable and they get the most respect. And finally, on this day, on this 5th September, Rotary Club Riverside is very proud to honor, acknowledge and felicitate, and finally dedicate all the teachers on the world a citation of honor. I will let you know here, there are two things. Part one is we are going to dedicate citation of honor to all the teachers in the world by reading a citation. Second is, as a token of our gratitude, love, affection and appreciation, we are felicitating over 500 teachers and mostly from our own schools. Mother Teresa, Kharadi, Sarthi School Kharadi, Nutan Vidyalaya. There are some schools in Calcutta. Then we have Saint Helena School, Pune. And teachers are also nominated by our esteemed members. So number is more than 500. That was a challenge. That's why we had gone with two things. One is on Zoom meeting, number already filled. It's more than 100. It's 100, so cannot go for more than 100. And others are joining. Over Facebook Live. So my heartfelt gratitude and sincere thanks to all those teachers. Their certificate of honor will be sent digitally, and also we have got that printed and beautifully laminated matte finish that is ready. So after the program is over, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, and for Mother Teresa, Kharadi, Nutan Vidyalaya and Saint Helena, it will be connected either today or latest by Monday. But Calcutta people who have joined, so our Rotarian Umesh is doing that, so that may take 3-4 more days to get the citation of honor. Not taking much time, I invite Rotarian Prerna Gaikwad, Sanjay Merchant, Club Admin and Director Program, to read the citation and dedicate the citation of honor to all the teachers in the world. Over to Sanjay.
Yeah, thank you, Colonel Mishra. The citation of honor in recognition of your contribution in the field of education. It is with a great sense of pride that we would like to appreciate and acknowledge your contribution to children's education, particularly during the extraordinary COVID-19 pandemic. This citation is presented to recognize your significant contribution as a teacher, friend, guide, and inspiration to thousands of students who have blossomed under your attention and care. Presented on this 5th day of September 2020 on behalf of Rotary Club of Pune Riverside. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay. And can I request all to put your hands together and give very big hand to all the teachers on the world and those teachers who have joined. Thank you, Sanjay.